In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit comments in Canva. If you've ever left a note on a design and later spotted a typo, or you want to clarify your feedback as the project evolves, editing your comment is the quickest way to keep everyone on the same page. Start by opening the project that contains the comment you want to change. Make sure you're in the design where the conversation is happening so the comment is easy to find. Once your project is open, look toward the top right of the screen for the comment panel. This is where all your conversations live alongside the design, so you can scan through them without losing your place. Select the exact comment you want to update so it's highlighted and ready for editing. Next, move your mouse over that comment. When you hover, you'll see a small three-dot icon appear. This is the More Options menu. Click those three dots, then choose Edit. You'll know you're in edit mode when the text becomes active and you can type directly into it. Now, make your changes. Fix spelling mistakes, tighten up your message, or add any clarifying details that help your collaborators understand what you mean. It's a good idea to keep edits precise and actionable, especially if the comment includes guidance for someone else. If the thread is busy, take a second to make sure you're updating the correct comment in the conversation, so there's no confusion later. When you're happy with the revised text, save it by clicking the checkmark icon. That checkmark is important. Clicking it confirms your changes and updates the comment for everyone viewing the project. If you click away without confirming, your changes might not be saved, so always finalize with the check. A couple of quick tips to avoid hiccups. Typically, you can only edit comments that you created or that you have permission to modify. If you don't see the edit option in the three-dot menu, it usually means the comment isn't yours or your access is limited in that project. Also, remember that editing a comment updates the original message in the thread, helping keep the conversation clean and up to date. And that's it. Open your project, select the comment, hover to reveal the three dots, choose Edit, make your changes, and click the checkmark to save. With this simple workflow, you can keep your feedback accurate, clear, and helpful as your design moves forward. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.